Hello students, I welcome you all in today's social studies class, and today we shall start a new lesson, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a country in the hot desert region. Children, do you know what's a desert? A desert is a dry, barren, sand-covered land, and Saudi Arabia is a land of hot sands. Students, look at this map. This map shows the hot deserts of the world and the location of the hot deserts. And there is an important thing to notice. All the deserts are in the western part of the continent. We also observe that hot deserts are marked in white color. In this map, there are two important lines of latitudes, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. In the northern hemisphere, deserts are located near the Tropic of Cancer, and in the southern hemisphere, deserts lie near the Tropic of Capricorn. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. It lies in northern Africa. It covers almost one-third area of the continent and lies on either side of the Tropic of Cancer. In Asia, we have two hot deserts, the Arabian Desert and the Thar Desert. In this chapter, we shall read about the country Saudi Arabia, that is a part of the Arabian Desert. This country is in the Arabian Peninsula. Students, do you know what's a peninsula? Peninsula is an area of land surrounded by water on three sides. And the Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. And in the map of Saudi Arabia, you will observe that it lies between the Red Sea on the west and Persian Gulf on the east. Students, the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Then the location of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is situated in the Middle East, Asia, and it lies in the northern hemisphere. It is surrounded by Kuwait, Iraq, and Jordan in the north, Qatar, Bahrain, UAE, and the Persian Gulf in the east, the Arabian Sea, Oman and Yemen in the south, and the Red Sea in the west. Students, Iraq is one of the neighboring country of Saudi Arabia, and its old name was Mesopotamia. Do you know? UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. It's a group of 7 small countries. Okay students, that's all for today. Bye.